Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang. Sithelo shows the baby mama of Andile Mpisane, the chairman of the Royal AM. The girl started a petition which was intended on reaching 25k signatures from people who wanted to see justice prevail, but seeing how fast it reached its target and exceeded it, Sithelo pushed the goal to 75k, and so far she has gained over 50k supporters. The mother of three thanked fans for signing the petition and said it takes victims of abuse to speak out so others can too. She wrote on her Instagram, "Thank you to everyone who took time to sign the petition. It has done exceptionally well and exceeded all our expectations. It surely will serve its purpose. I've realized how easy it is to say or encourage everyone on speaking out about their past traumas, things they may be going through even in the present moment. But nobody really prepares you for the backlash that comes with it. We are truly a big part of the problem too. Unfortunately, we continuously make it so hard for people to tell their stories and escape these past traumas. I for one stand in my truth and will always dim any noise around it." In Sithelo's petition, Mogel said she has been abused by Andile Mpisane. She wrote, "I have been abused physically and emotionally, and I'm constantly intimidated by the father of my children." She continued, "While in the relationship, I was beaten mercilessly and constantly. I did the best I could and stayed silent. But now I feel that I have been through enough. I feel that I have been abused and pushed far enough by the father of my children." Sithelo also alleged that she was abused when she was pregnant with her third baby. She wrote, "The father of my children beat me to a pulp while I was pregnant with our last child, and I had to wait 3 days to find out if my baby would survive. The last straw was when the father of my children started questioning the paternity of our last child. After everything that I silently withstood, my children are far too young to live with a mother who is being bullied, intimidated, and still facing abuse. I'm a human being too, and this kind of abuse has gone on for too long. I want freedom and justice. I have filed for a protection order against the father of my children. I have started this petition to plead for justice to prevail, for the protection order to be granted so that me and my children are safe, whilst this will put me against a powerful, well-connected and wealthy individual. I'm also a person with rights, and my children deserve a fighting chance." People really showed support to Sithelo, which is really great. If it's true that Andile is still abusing Sithelo, he should stop and take accountability of what he has done to the mother of his children and focus on his beautiful wife, Andile Mpisane. But others don't feel sorry for Sithelo, and they're saying she deserves it because she tormented Thandeka, who was married to the man Sithelo decided to have a child with. Share your thoughts on this one, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.